Alright, go back.
Hey!
Fuck off.
Another early start, Benj.
Really, Callum?
Yeah.
That's what Toby thinks of early starts. Cheers, guys. Okay. Back onto the rooftops. The hunt for the monkeys has begun. So they were around here yesterday. Whoa. They finished round here.
Like up here would be a good location.
And they were coming from this direction. So let's head there. Sorry. No. Okay, sorry. Sorry, namaste, sorry. We'll go down this way. Keep going, Toby. Just keep going. Sorry. Fuck. Sorry. This is so hard. The monkeys are so elusive on the rooftop. And when we get onto a rooftop to try and find them, it's 50-50 whether it will get seen and kicked off.
People are a lot less forgiving in the morning, I'd imagine, so yeah.
Yeah, we got some. We got a couple, bros. Couple of monkeys at 12 o'clock. Get the monkey nuts out. Ready. Let's go. Oh. Come up here and go where Stacey is, and up there and around. Yeah. Oh. Oh. I got some. Now I need to do some parkour with them. To get the camera out, and then if I jump over there, they'll all jump with me. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Is it okay to stay and feed the monkeys? Oh, there's another monkey there, look. Fucking hell, this is weird. Is it okay to be here and film the monkeys? Okay.
Did you have any permission letter?
No permission letter. Sorry. We just spoke to this lady and...
So why they were here?
We will go. We will go.
Sorry.
Let's go. Thank you. We found the monkeys, but the locals weren't happy that we're on the rooftops. Apparently they're going to call the cops.
Wait.
Okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep walking. Sorry.
Why leaving? I just called the cop and we were arrested.
Oh, the guy's coming as well. Don't run. Yeah.
We understand, so we go.
Fuck, this project's fucking hard. 1, trying to find the monkeys. 2, trying not to annoy the locals.
Like, we're between making enemies and friends.
Yeah, so weird. But like, we had to try, there's no way. I'm not going to try that.
That was fucking close. Sorry, we almost got it.
They're calling the police now and following us. That's like...
They're following us, yeah.
Can we go right and get back to the taxis?
Sorry, man.
Don't be no problem. It's okay.
Sorry. What do you mean though? Just sorry.
Intense, man. It's fucking intense. The roof that me and Josh were on, the women were like fine, laughing, smiling. They were like kids, they were like teenager comes out. You fucking asshole! Get the fuck out of here!
So hectic.
Yeah, it was crazy. That was really weird, man. I've said it's one of the weirdest situations ever. Yo.
Hello, you're watching Storablock.